Hello and welcome to this video. I hope you are doing fine out there, staying safe and doing good. I'm going to make this series called 10, and there's a common theme to this. Everything has to be within 10 minutes. I'll get back to that. Often you see from landscape photographers, they go to these great vistas, they travel everywhere, and it's just crazy, the places they go to. I can't do that, I can't afford it, but of course I'd like to. But then I've been thinking, do you have to go so far away? As you might have seen, I'm doing some experiments with woodland photography and also other kinds of nature photography in my nearly vicinity, not too far away from where I live. I don't mind driving 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever it takes to get me somewhere. But I've been thinking, it's not all people have these this opportunity. Some may have to go by bus or by train, or some just can't. So I've been thinking that I'm going to do this in a way that I move away from home at a maximum distance of 10 minutes. 10 minutes by foot, 10 minutes by on my bike, or 10 minutes by car. And I'm going to divide this. And today we're looking at 10 minutes from within walking distance. And this within walking distance will be 2 videos in fact. I can't do it all in one, and I can't do it all in one day. I need 2 days, and also I need to wait for the last 2 locations to blossom. That needs to be a bit warmer than it is now. One location very nearby, within I could walk over there for I don't know, in 1 minute. And there's a location where I can go to in maybe 2-3 minutes. Those 2, I'm going to keep those for the summertime, so there might be another retake on the 10-minute walk. But the idea is to have 2, or as you heard me say, maybe 3 videos where I walk within 10 minutes, then on my bike for 10 minutes, and then in my car for 10 minutes. I'm going to launch them 1 a week from there on, so it might take, I estimated it'll be between 6 to 10 weeks, and it'll be on Sundays so that the videos come up on YouTube, and then I'm going to do something else in between if there's something from home I want to show you, or whatever, just like the video you might have seen, the previous one from Wednesday this week. This might be something like that. So hope to see you to join me for my 10 minutes, 10 minutes, what's it called? 10-minute project? Let's say that, or just 10. Project 10. Agent 007, Bond 007, I don't know. Just come on. You can put down some comments if you got an idea, but otherwise I'll just call it Project 10 for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Sunday and on Wednesday. Bye.